Hey, thanks for stopping by Sticky Friends channel. I just wanted to share with you these two gorgeous bags that I just completed. And if you want to see how I did them, I am not going to let you stay at this channel. I'm going to redirect you to the two YouTubers that inspired me to complete these bags. And there's another YouTuber that inspired me to complete a matching tea bag holder. So I'll list their links below. Go to their channels. They have some gorgeous, beautiful bags. And what I do is the color watercolor behind there, and watercolor is a little bit different medium than glue, and me working with the glue gives a new meaning to Sticky Friends. But all joking aside, very easy project and very fun. Thanks for stopping by.